Thank you, Matt Bridger, for being a channel member for over a year. Matt has a Las Vegas vlog on YouTube. Check it out if you love Vegas, or even if you don't.
Atlantis. I don't normally play this game, but let's give it a try today. And one of the reasons I don't is I'm right here with one of the waterfalls at Atlantis. So you're going to hear that as background noise. Alright, bank stuff's $3. Come on, Wild Fiesta'coins. I need a fiesta. A fiesta of big wins. Spice it up. It says extra bonus wilds. Okay, keep throwing those out. Oh, he's jumping in. Yay. It's a fiesta. I hope it's a win. Okay, a little win. Let's have more fiesta, more parties, more spicy wins. Bonus would have been nice. Come on, spice it up. Hello. Don't make me sorry I decided to play you. Let's see those wilds. I want to party. Show me the fiesta. I love hot peppers. I wish those hot peppers would show up. 3 of you. I need it really spicy. There he goes. Give me 4 string. One more. One more. More, please. Lots more. Feel free to jump into your basket. Okay, not bad. Now bonus me. Spice up my day. Craving Mexican food at the moment. Oh, where are you? Or at least the cactus showed up. Thank you so much. Now show me what you got. Give me the spicy big win. Ouch. Are you going to throw down some wilds? That was very nice. Thank you. Saved my bonus. That's cute. Wow, nice. Can you do that again, please? One more time on the last game here. There we go. I got a rainbow. I love the rainbow. Oh my God, he's jumping in there. He's jumping in there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. This could be great. Wow. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm dancing too. Seriously, I'm dancing, but I have to hold the camera steady. So it's just my feet. Thank you so much. Big win bonus, guys. Big win bonus. We had a fiesta, didn't we? We had a wild, wild fiesta. Thank you. Extra, extra bonus wild. I'll be back, even though we have the waterfall here. I hope that didn't drive you nuts. Okay, so one last spin. Well, one last spin till we lose. As long as you keep paying me, I'll keep pressing that button. Okay. So I put in 200. We're cashing out at $591.50. Great time, great bonus. Thank you. Good luck, everybody. These drums would not dance during my live stream. Let's see if they'll dance now at max bet. Nice first spin. Come on, 5 drum bonus. Oh my gosh. 4 drum bonus, guys. 4 drums. I will take 4 drums. Well, let's see. Shall I burn myself a mystery pick? I think we're going to do 10 free games. Making me glad I didn't take 3 spins. Come on, food dogs. I love my food dogs. Screen full of food dogs or anything actually. Maybe we can retrigger. Money tree where that drum is. Or spins left. Sorry, I was looking at something off to the side. 2 spins left. Make them big ones. Bring on the food dogs. Okay, we got that quick. That was nice. Okay, one more spin. Now we'll take the money and we will run away and come back another day. Cheers. Good luck.